In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Google Calendar. If you travel, work with teammates in different regions, or recently moved, keeping your calendar in the right time zone is essential. The good news is that updating it is quick, and your events will automatically adjust so you don't miss a thing. I'll walk you through the process and share a few pointers to help you feel confident about the change. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing in to the account you use every day. You'll land on your calendar home view. Day, week, or month is fine. This is the main page where all your events appear. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage more than one, so the update applies where you expect. Next, head to the top right of the page and click the gear icon to open Settings. A small menu appears. Choose Settings from that list. This takes you to the full settings page where Google groups everything by category on the left. Don't worry if your layout looks slightly different. Google occasionally refreshes the design, but the options will be in the same general place. On the left sidebar, under the General section, click Time Zone. This is where Google Calendar controls how it displays times. You'll see your current setting and a drop-down to change it. Some accounts may also show a note about using your device's time zone. That's just informational here. What you want is the main time zone selector. Open the drop-down and select your preferred time zone. You can scroll the list or type the name of a city or region to find the right one faster. Once you pick it, Google saves the change automatically. There's no separate save button. That's it. You've set your calendar to the correct time zone. After updating, your existing events will shift to display at the right local times. If you're invited to meetings, other attendees won't see any changes on their end. They'll still see the time in their own zones. A quick way to verify everything looks right is to return to your calendar view and check an upcoming event you know well. Its start time should now make sense for your location. If you frequently move between regions, remember you can come back to this setting anytime. Your choice will sync across devices using the same Google account, keeping your schedule consistent wherever you sign in. And that's all you need to change your time zone in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.